ma'am.
Hello. So, Aditi, can you introduce yourself? Tell me something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
Yeah. So,
can
Aditi,
hear
please tell
you.
me something about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. So, as you know, my name is Aditi. I'm from Lucknow and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor. And apart from these, I love to play badminton, chess, and I love solving puzzles. Campus ambassador at IMUN, International Model United Nations, and it is a platform where a lot of students came across together and they share their uh, topics related to global issues like women empowerment, gender discrimination, and gender equality. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's good. You are doing a great job.
Yeah.
So, okay.
And I love reading books, and I had completed my reading, um, like books of Chetan Bhagat and Munshi Premchand and Half Girlfriend. Yeah,
Okay.
so this is all about myself.
Yeah, that looks was interesting, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay.
No problem. So how's pandemic there, ma'am, in Gorakhpur?
Yeah, there is also not a good situation. There is also people are
Okay.
not feeling well right now. People at
Mhm.
least my relatives are also affected by this pandemic. So here situation is not good. So
Yes.
yeah. So your
Same
university.
condition. Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. Same condition in Lucknow also.
Yeah, yeah. My family was there, na. Those they make me aware about that what is going on
Yeah,
there.
and here they started lockdown also. It will start from Friday until till Tuesday morning 7 a.m.
And
Yes,
here is
and
also.
same. Okay, we won't go anywhere. Just sit at home only. Yes.
Yeah, a good thing, na? They can work from home and yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes,
good.
and
That's good.
our classes also running. Our classes also running online only. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good thing for yeah. Internet provided us lots of things. Like if earlier when there was not internet, how people will manage? We
Yes,
can't.
yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So Aditi, let me know about your organization in detail. What facilities your organization provide to the people? Then please let me
Oh,
know.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So as you know, I already told you about all those things, Amune. Yeah, it is a platform where a lot of students came ac came across together and to share their ideas about global issues topics like nowadays pandemic going on, and we used to share the topics like gender discrimination, equality, women empowerment, a lot many more topics, and I'll post my daily status there. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
if the people, if anyone wants to attend that, then yeah, it will be very beneficial for everyone. It provides worldly knowledge to people, and if you want to go anywhere, then you can connect to any people from there, and it provides you to build up your networking, networking skills, and it improves your negotiation skills also.
Okay. So Aditi, which type of people can join this
Okay, ma'am.
organization?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the
Okay, I
criteria?
will tell you. Yes. Ma'am, anyone can join. Anyone can join. It's not about like a girl, boy, and married woman can also join that organization. And yeah, ma'am, I'll say to you, yeah, if you like, na, you can join, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay, I will do. I will do
what
next time. Actually, there is any eligibility to join. Anyone
yeah.
can.
No, ma'am. There is no eligibility to join. Anyone can join. Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
and ma'am, some of my friends also attended, and they just thank to me, and I like so much of that kind of appreciation. The people's giving me. Yes,
Yeah, it's because no, I thought that it provides lots of information to me, and it will be make me aware about the what the current scenario of the world, and it is I have to read current affairs. So if I will join, it will help me to increase my current affairs
yes,
news.
ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. I am surely telling you, you can join. Yeah, people like from another countries like Malaysia and Japan, Chinese people, lot of many more. And I just make from there. I just found one friend also. She's from Malaysia. Yes,
Okay.
we talked a lot and we make friends. Yes, we become
So
friends.
you
So
like
what
such.
about you, ma'am? You like?
Okay, what would you like to ask to me?
Okay, ma'am. So how you started your English journey?
Okay, it is not
So
too
when
long.
you think, okay,
Hmm.
so when you think you have to learn English, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I am studying English right from my childhood, but I never used to speak. I never tried to speak in English. But earlier, from 2 months ago, I tried to speak English. When there was my interview of Army Public School, I was selected in that exam. So I was shortlisted for interview. So that interview was in English. That time I started English speaking, try to speak English because that interview was in English. So I was for make I was hesitate that time. So because to overcome that hesitation, I joined Clappingo. So Clappingo helps me to overcome my
Okay.
hesitation, gives me confidence. But there was only 5 days ago I joined Clappingo, so that was not very much helpful for us me for then after I tried to speak English, like I want to improve English because when the situation is come again, then I have to face another interview or to for me kids also for and it is required for everywhere. So why should not I learn English properly when I
Yes, yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
So I take times for it. I find time for English also because of I have a family. I have two kids.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can understand you. Yeah.
I started speaking and I find myself in that place. As of now, you can see, I am practicing on daily basis and I am studying also. So it is my journey. And by this way, I started speaking. And before this, I never tried to speak. But yeah, I know English very well, like everything, parts of the
Yes,
speeches.
ma'am. You are speaking very well. Speaking very
Okay.
well, and yeah, one day I have seen your videos, and I thought, yeah, ma'am is very interesting, and I thought I will talk to her. So I just
Actually,
put it your on message.
thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. Actually, I also like this. I also like to interact people, learn new things. As now I am talking to you and learning so many things from you. It is a
Yes,
good.
and I watched all your videos. Yes, and how the Clapping Go tutors tells you each and everything. Yes. I have
Yeah,
seen. Yeah, it
yeah,
was very interesting for me. Yeah, I like so
yeah.
much.
So, the tutors are good. I can say they help
Yeah.
us. They support us to improve your English. They never demoralize anyone. They always put their energy in the students. Like they want to. They never discourage anyone. They never.
Yes, ma'am. And I have seen your kid also in video. He's so
Yeah, they
cute.
used to come. Yeah, today they
So
are.
cute. Yes.
Yeah, they are downstairs, so I have told them that don't come up and don't disturb me because I'm going to talk. So they are little, no, they can't understand. So it's happened.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Kids are very crazy. Yeah. So
So
have you cleared that interview, ma'am?
no, that time
Which
I
was
cleared one. Yeah, there was there was three steps of interview. So two steps I have cleared, like computer CPT, computer literacy. I have
Yes,
cleared.
yes, I know,
I have
ma'am.
cleared demo, but and third part there was only one seat, so I was not a good candidate for that. Them, so I was not selected that time. At third stage, I can't clear. I couldn't clear. But but I feel confidence, like I should
Yeah,
improve my
yeah,
English.
yes, ma'am. Because you cleared two sections, no? So one
Yeah,
day you
actually,
will clear.
I cleared demo section also, but last section actually there was what to say, I can't say now. The armies have their own protocols, they what they want,
Yes, ma'am. They have their own rules and regulations. Yeah, I know all
and
those
I
things.
was not experienced that I have no experience of teaching. They want experienced people, so it might be possible so that I was not selected there. So, but
Okay,
I
yeah.
a government job. And I can try again and again because that I have given a scorecard for 3 years. I can apply anywhere in India for 3 years, and I can get interview many
Okay.
times. How? Yeah, but I don't.
Wow, that's
But now I was not. I'm not interested in that. I want to prepare myself for government job, so I am preparing for government job. It was
okay.
like
So,
that.
which type of exams, ma'am? Teaching, I think.
Yeah, like right
Teaching.
now I'm doing for teaching, and sometime I used to prepare for other like RO exams, PCS, like sometime.
Yeah, RO, I know, ma'am. Yes, I know.
Yeah, but right now I have three exams in front of me. Like, they are upcoming exams: PGT, GIC, and Junior Edit. So that I right now I'm preparing for teaching only.
Okay, best of luck, ma'am, for that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So
Yes.
you are what is your education like? What is your what?
Uh, as you know, ma'am, I already told you. I'm pursuing my bachelor's. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a BBA Bachelor of Business Administration, and right now I'm in a final year now.
Okay.
Yes.
So when will
Yeah.
your exams?
Ma'am, right now online classes were running, and they are saying it will be on June. Yes,
Okay.
because of pandemic, na, everything got spoiled. Our exams is in May only, and because of pandemics, they shifted the exam in June. I think in last June, yeah. And right now I'm not preparing for my exams. Yeah,
Oh, like
it
you
will.
have time. You have time. You can do. Yeah, I'm also doing the same. I was also told
Yes.
to study by my husband, but I am doing such thing like I am using
Yes,
YouTube
ma'am, you
tablet.
have a channel. You have a channel. Yeah, it's a very nice thing.
Yeah,
Yes.
so it was not a big type of channel. I have created it earlier, but when I will get free, I will add more and more things that will help like women like me who is at home want to do something creative, who want to build a career. So I want to help them. So I have created that channel. That's
Yes,
why.
ma'am. Yeah, that's very nice thing. Yeah, I have seen first time like you are doing all those things, and you are still managing your kids and study family to all those things.
Yeah, so it's not a tough thing, but people can do it easily. But there should be eager to do something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If they are eager, then he or she can do all those things. No. Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Oh yeah, now I can hear you. I think that it is enough for today. So we will talk next in the next because of poor connection. Your voice has been broken many times.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry for that. Sorry.
No, no,
So
don't be sorry.
sorry. I don't know, ma'am. I talked one of my friends also. At that time, network was so good, and right now, I don't know what's happening there.
No,
Yeah.
it happens. It happens all the time. Don't worry. So it is a network, like In India, it happens many times. Don't worry. So we will meet in the next session. I am very happy to talk you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for having a good conversation.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Aditi, for coming here. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.